Hi guys, what's up? So today we're playing Find the Animals. Playing alone. So yeah, let's find these animals. I have played this before. Oh, so big brain time. Big brain time. Big brain. Big brain. I think running is good. Let me click running. Let me get him. I think I have got him. I got this guy. I got him. Let's go and get some. Guys, I got some things like these gooses and these things over there. So yeah, I got the orca and those things. So yeah, let's get some hard ones. All of them were easy stage mode. Let's go. No, I need to go and shift lock for this. Okay. No, I'm going over there. It looks like a straight ladder up there. So yeah. Oh wait, there's moose. There is the moose on the loose. Did I get this guy? Let's go up there. Oh wait, what's up here? What? It's a true lobby. Llama, you found I found the reindeer. What am I doing? I found the reindeer. That the first one I found for throughout the whole video. No, let's go up. Okay, I'm trying to get up this thing. Oh, I didn't realize this thing. These. Bro, I saw something. I saw something. There's an obby in there. You have to get to the top of the thing, I guess. No! That was very I don't know. Wait, I didn't realize this. Where does this lead to? Oh, it leads to the lobby we saw. Oh my god. There's a little cat thing. Wolf. You go all the way down here, bro. That guy got it. No. I pressed. Oh, one sec, one sec. Oh, E. Okay. Now it's way easier. Yes! I found the Arctic. Is that an Arctic fox? Is that an Arctic fox? Everybody tell me, is that an Arctic fox? Doesn't look like one. Bruh. What is this? Uh, it's been very long and we're trying to get up this thing. Yay, I'm up! Finally! Now what do you do? Shaw, you almost... What do you do over here? Oh, I know. Oh my god! There's a rabbit! I found a hare. Oh my god! Woof! I am on the steepest edge of the world. Then I come all the way back here. Hello, moose. What's in this building? Wait, what was that? What was that? There's an elephant over there. Oh my god, why is he... Simba! Simba's up there, bro. Hello. I got the elephant. Okay. I don't know. I'm trying to know how to get up this thing. Oh! Okay. I need shift lock here. Now let's not do shift lock. It'll take a little time. I'm right here. There's a megalodon somewhere. Yeah! I got the lion. The lion from the Lion King. Oh, there. I got a giraffe. I need this giraffe. Giraffe. Let's go on top of giraffe to get those. Ostrich! I don't know an ostrich baby. Who's here? Hello, ostrich baby. Found an ostrich. Oh, there's a rhino. Guys, up here some I saw some animals. Animals. Okay, I can't get them. Oh, this guy's in a cage. How do you get him? You need to free him. Huh. Oh. Oh, wait. Near Simba's thing, I saw a button. That button might have... I know there's a camel over there. Yeah, that button over there. I think you need to get inside, and then you have to get the rhino. Press, run. It's open. Yeah, it's open. No, it got caged. Oh, you need to run. Let me go in first person. That's it's caged. No. One. Can one girl touch it? Touch it. Then it opens. Oh, go. Bruh. Okay. Oh, let's get the camel. What's that egg? Oh, it's a turtle. Oh, dinosaur. Guys, I got some of the. Press it. Press it, someone. Press the button. Press the button. Okay. I'm going in the desert. Let me get the camel. Yeah, camel. It shall stop. Okay. Bruh. 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 First, one sec. There's a cobra. I need that cobra. I'm so close. Am I making it? I think I'm making it. If I keep doing this, I can make it. I know. Bro. I'm very focused right now, so don't mind me being quiet. My natural. Go. What? What in the world? Hey. Yeah. She got it. I'm leaving. Oh, you're not supposed to touch them. What? What about getting up here? Oh, I thought it was some stairs or something. I don't know. Black Widow. I'm going on top of this thing to get an animal. Bruh. It's all the way up there. Where am I? You have to do ladder parkour. Okay, I'm going to dinosaur land. Oh, I never found this bunny over here. Jackrabbit. What? Okay. So if you press this, I got him. I'm stuck. Yay. Nobody ever told me about that. Red, blue, red, pink, white, red, red, blue, cyan, pink, green, red. I found Pachycephalosaurus by pressing all the right buttons. Okay, I'm trying to get up the volcano. There's lava over here. Okay, this part is risky. I need to get out of first person. Stop my running. Can I just? Oh yeah, I can. Okay. Oh, Parasaurolophus. Okay, I'm going over here. This is. Woo! I thought I couldn't make it. Oh, this is a very thin line. Oof. Okay. Wait, what's there? Nothing? I think it's jumps to. No. I accidentally did that. I just need to go a little like that. I was so close. Oh, guys, big brain time. Oh, big. Okay. I forgot about that. Is there anything down here? Cause like, where's the surface? Am I stuck down here? I'm just single. my light. I have no idea where I am. I went back to spawn because I couldn't find where I was. Over there is the... How am I supposed to get up there? There's a flamingo up there. Oh, there's a teleportation area. Oh, I've never seen that camp area. I've gotten that orca over there. Killer whale. Oh, the cow. I haven't got the cow. What? Okay, I have no idea how to get this cow. Oh, I forgot totally about the horses and chickens over here. Hello, horsey. Got a horsey. Bro. The chicken! Hello, chicken. I got a rooster. Oh, it's a rooster, not a chicken. I don't know what this is about. These are two empty spots. I've gotten this guy. I've gotten this guy, the goose guy. What's beyond this? Oh, the campsite. Oh, the campsite is how you get the pterodactyl. Oh, this is nice. Oh, a froggo. I'm not going in there. Yeah, jump on his nose. Go up, go up. I almost died. What's this thing about? Does this look like a bridge? Bro. Oh, wait, this is wood. So yeah, I need my run-up thing boost. A run-up thing doesn't work too either. Big brain time. Take that. Yup. How you do it? What does a wood plank lead to? These break. Oh, we're in the jungle thing, forest. I don't know. Is there a panda over here? I feel like it. What's in here? A very big hole. Wait, what do I do here? This is a maze. You have to find the tiger. Dead end. Think I'm getting close because I see light. Wait, what? I came all the way back where I started. You go over here. What do I do with this? Oh, bat. Oh, you push this block. Push the block to get the bat. I got the bat, yay. I remember where I once, what is here? Yeah, it's a dead end. My mouse is about to fall off the, what do you call the pads thing? I don't know. What? Oh, yeah, spawn. Spawn time. Spawn. I forgot. I got the doggy. Trying this one more time. Let me ask somebody. Okay, let's go. I was so close. Guys, the animals I'm talking about are like over there. How do you get on top of this tree? This guy? Whoa! Oh. What? How is that possible? Oh yeah. Okay, guys, I think this is a good spot to end the video. I hope you liked it. Remember to like, subscribe. Remember to like, subscribe, and smash that like button. Until then, keep flying, my eagles. Bye.